Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to cancel orders and refund on Temu. Open up the Temu app. Here, tap on You from its bottom menu. Then go to Your Orders. I don't have any active order yet, but you'll find your orders here. You just simply need to open the order that you want to cancel. At the bottom, you'll have the option of cancel. Simply tap on it. Then you will need to add a few details about your order. Then you'll be asked if you want to have another purchase or a refund. You need to select the option of refund. Once the process is completed, your order will be cancelled and your money will be refunded in your account. So this is how you can cancel an order and get a refund on Temu. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.